All right. So like I told us, we want to log into the back end of our site. It's always our website /WP-admin. You must get used to this. Okay. powerleague.com/WP-admin. Then I think it was coach. And then, yeah. So, so this is the back end. And all these pages you see in the front. Now we have pages and we have posts. All these that you can see here are pages. Okay, are pages. Each one has its own page. Okay, where do you find them? These are pages, all pages. So if you want to edit any of them, this is where you come to. Want to edit the front page, you come here, click on edit. See, this is what we had at the front end, and this is where you can actually change things that there. Anyone that is not showing up, just click on this to show up. So you can practically change this picture if you want to. Okay, and change this picture. You can change everything here. You can change this picture. Just click on replace. You can change this right up. Okay, put your own there. So basically, that is how you make changes. That's not where we are going today. So any of these websites, you can actually change it. Then, if you want to remove, for example, probably we don't want appointments and about to be there. These are what we call menus. Okay, they are menus to different pages. So you want to change the navigation menu. This is where you go to. Just click here. You see menus. Okay, or if you're at the back end, you go to appearance. You see menu there. So anywhere you click takes you to the menu page. If you click it from here to take you to the same page also. So while it's loading, I'm going to go to the plugins. This is where we go to do a lot of work. Uh, when it comes to functionality of a website, it is actually powered by plugins. Sorry. So these are the menus. You can see them according to how they on the website. Home, service, about, blog, like that, and service details under service. If you go to menu, you can see it. Home, service details under service. This one, why it's under service? Because if I put it like this now, it will no more be under it. But if you want to put it under it, you draw it and just drop it there. Okay, you can rearrange the way they are on the site and save. Once I save it, everything will change on the website. And to remove any of them, let's remove appointment, we save, refresh, appointment is gone, go back to menu, want to add it back or to add something else, click on it, click on add menu, it's there right there, put it where you want it to be, save, and it's back there. So that's how you do the menu. So let's go to plugins. Now, plugins give functionality to your website, and a lot of uh, plugins available for you as a digital marketer. When we get to email marketing and such, we're going to look at some plugins that are very good, even for search engine optimization, as a plugin that you must know about, that you will be using, for search engine optimization. All right. Uh, One of the first one that we would recommend is Yoast. Yoast. Okay. There's Yoast, there's All-in-One SEO. Okay. They are both good, equally good. But let's see what Yoast does. So this is how you install the plugin. But before I activate it, let's go to all posts. Let's edit one of these posts. You can see pet cleaning tips. Remember that when we talk about using keywords, now by now you should know that keywords are highly important when you are writing. So how do you know if the keyword you are using is okay and you have done a good job in your write-up? Is by using SEO plugins. Okay, now let me activate this and then we'll see the effect on the write-up that I just opened now. So I've installed this, says configure it. So you can change things there. It's asking you for your site name, all those stuff, but let's just save and continue. Okay. If you have Facebook, want to put a Twitter, you can add it. But if not, just leave it. Save and continue. Okay, so that's it. You don't need to register for anything. So let's go back to the post. Let me refresh the post. Okay. Now you can see Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO. It said improve your post with Yoast. So to ask you what is your keyword that you're focusing on this write-up. Okay. As it is now, let's use pet cleaning tips. Okay. So you now begin to analyze for you. Just click SEO analysis to tell you don't have outbound link, you don't have internal link. Your keyword phrase in introduction is red, keyword density is red, meta description length is red. Have is what you have an image, you have keyword in your title, which you have pet cleaning tips. Your key phrase length is okay, yes. But can we improve on this? Yes. So you can just do let's assume, sorry, this is coming here. I want to link it. To another post on my website. Okay, so what is it telling me now? Now I have internal link done. Okay, that turned green. For the outbound link, you want to link to probably a resource outside your website. Okay, I can also say see this resource outside my website. I want to link to so a website outside my website, http, let me just put google.com. At least it's not on my website. So that's that. Okay. Adbound link, good job. So by the time you are done, you will know this SEO will tell you that you have done a good job. Okay. For me, I like having using the premium because the premium gives you more, but at least for as a starter, you have a good start with the free. Okay, you have a good start with the free. So basically, what I teach is that your keyword must be evenly distributed across. So I've told you if it was in premium that you don't have enough of your keyword, and then you have your keyword right there. Okay, this could be is an H2, is an H2 header tag. You can H2 want to change it. Okay, those of you that were in the SEO class, you remember that we talked about all these things, header tag and all that. So please, that video will be ready tomorrow for the free on-page search engine optimization training we did. We are going to make it free for a limited time. So once it's up, please go and watch it. About all this, how you can write for Google to be able to catch you and put you on first page. Okay, so and most of these things is green. You don't have to have all green. That's just the truth. You don't have to have all green. But when most of it is green, you know you have done a good job in your SEO. Your keyword is well distributed and is well used. All right. So premium analysis. Okay, this for premium. Anyway, in the course of this training, I should be able to show you how you can get this premium stuff for probably a cheaper price. So click on upgrade. So please, Yoast, very, very good to Yoast SEO. Write it somewhere in your notes, write it somewhere on your system, write it somewhere. Very, very important tool that you'll be using. You must use, okay? You must use. If you don't like Yoast, you can also use all-in-one SEO. That is another powerful one. All-in-one SEO. All-in-one SEO. They do almost the same thing. Okay, that is it. All-in-one SEO. Okay, you need that also. So basically, functionality on a website is from plugins. It's from plugins. From plugins. So, but you must know what a plugin will offer you. Go back to dashboard. I don't have time for all this. So I've given you two SEO plugins, Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO. So this is all-in-one, okay? You see, they almost doing the same kind of work. This is Yoast, where is all-in-one? So even give me, see, this is all-in-one told me that my score is 88 over 100. I've done a good job, okay? Where is trying to look for. Okay. This is only one's own focus keyword. So so you can see this is how he does his own too. Focus keyword in SEO is good, is good, is good. Okay. So basically they help you in your SEO. That's that. So let's move forward. Let's go to something else. So if you check the plugins again, Akismet, what they do, they will always explain to you. This one protects your blog from spams. So people can just be spamming your website, and then with fake comments, all those stuff. Akismet will help you filter fake comments, filter fake logins, from people. Classic editor. Classic editor will help you change. If you don't like the way this guy is looking and you want it to look like Microsoft Word, as if you are using Microsoft Word, then you can change. This is Gutenberg. You can change to classic. But this thing I think works more with Gutenberg, so it's better you leave it as Gutenberg. But if I change it to classic, let me just show you how it's going to look. I'll change it back. Okay, so look at this post right here now. And let's even use this page. If I change it to classic, see how it's going to look. Can see how it's looking. So I look the post also. If not because this thing, I think works more better with Gutenberg. I love keeping my sites on classic. So you can see this is how the post is. So it looks user friendly actually than Gutenberg. Okay. So all the SEO stuff, you can see them right there below your post. So that's classic. But this particular thing does not work well with classic. So let's just deactivate that. This one, Hello Dolly, it actually does nothing. As far as I'm concerned, I think it just gives you some write-up on your backend to greet you, and really does not do anything. Then these Cadence plugins, they are actually plugins that came with the theme that we installed. So they are theme specific plugins. Okay, and then we have used. If you want to add contact form to your site, there's a plugin called Contact Form 7. It's the most contact form 7 is the most commonly used forms. Okay. Right, so that's that. So let's leave that alone. Now, when we get to sales funnel and all that, then we'll be using some particular plugins for that. So at that time, we'll come back here and then we'll change these websites. We'll change the look and feel using the plugins, and we'll do a lot of wonders on this particular website. But the major purpose of what I want to teach you today is how to use install plugins and tell you what plugins does, and then how to edit your pages and your posts, okay? And then search engine optimization tools that can help you when you are writing your when you are using your keywords to write your post. So that will be all for today.